Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader. It's Tuesday, March 23rd. These are the charts of the day. The market is rocking and stocks are flying, and some of our stocks have done very well. But I did want to point out to you some of the stocks in particular that have acting very well of late and that continue to look good. Acme Packet, which we've highlighted several times, after the February pop, has been moving in a beautiful, steady rising channel, showing very little signs of deterioration. There's a little bit of loss of balance of power has turned back to neutral, which could be a sign of waning momentum, but price and other underlying technicals are still holding up very well. Looking for higher levels, think this can get into the low 20s, maybe mid 20s. Star Scientific had a big day today on 13.75 million shares, popped out of this wedge pattern and exploded for 38 cents or 20%. Real good volume, real good price action, looking for a target around 350. Beyond that, something about 5 may be doable. CTEL, 3 consecutive days of big volume. The stock moves higher each day. Top of the channel is beckoning around 18, my short-term target. And beyond that, I think the stock can extend further, but we'll take it one step at a time. Dendrion, big day today. Broke out of this 2-week flag. Ran up $1.37 and tagged a new all-time high at 38.12 today, up another 3.76%. I'd like to see some more volume, but I think the stock could start to accelerate as it draws closer to approval of their Provenge drug. FNSR also in a beautiful rising channel the last 60 days, accelerating across this resistance level. And you can see volume and technicals are actually improving here as it reaches key resistance. Beyond that, a move into the $20 range may be doable on Finisar. Okay, going forward, we have INCY Insight, which continues to motor straight up its trend line and moving averages. And you can see in the last year or so has moved from 2 to 14, a 7-fold increase. Today up 96 cents or 7% on 5.9 million shares. That's the biggest volume going back to early January. The stock is beginning to accelerate after breaking out of a small consolidation period. The short-term target I have is around 17.5. And secondary target up close to 20 again. Insight looks like it wants to move higher. Big breakout today on McGuire Properties. You can see from this pattern here, it's been in a base for the last year and a half. Key set lateral resistance, multiple tops at around the $3 level was taken out with abandon today, up 87 cents or 32.5% on 21 million shares. That's some price volume thrust and should lead to higher levels. Target around the 5 and then 7 range, intermediate, longer term. Radware is up next, RDWR. Beautiful rising channel underway for the last year. Stock's accelerating, volume is accelerating, and so are technicals. Could be coming to a head here, but it could spike up into the low to mid-20s, maybe high 20s before long. Skechers had a big day today. Popped $1.62 and broke out. You can see the rising channel is in force. The stock is now approaching its 07 highs. There may be some resistance up in the zone, but not seeing any signs of loss of momentum at all. As a matter of fact, it's actually increasing. And we could see the stock reach the $40 level before too long, which was my target back here when the stock was in the low to mid-20s. SLXP Pharmaceutical, also another beauty, similar to SKX in terms of the price pattern and level. Long-term rising channel indicates that 40-45 range may be doable on an intermediate basis. Short-term target 38.9 zone potentially is what I have set up. Somaxon, our last stock for today, SOMX, one of my favorites currently. After the big pop is in a beautiful 3-day flag setup. Today it popped 58 cents, was actually up $1.70 at one point, but sold off in the afternoon. But 21.6 million shares, real strong volume, and if it can break out above and take out the 10.5, 10.60 range, stock could be a $13 stock short term. That's it for tonight. Good luck trading the rest of the week and be careful out there.